rice cooker. First off, I really want to say thanks to Adam at Speed Science here in New Zealand. At Speed Science, you can buy complete kits at different levels depending on what your needs are, or you can buy parts individually. They have a huge range of K-Series parts. Anything they don't have, you can request from them and they can probably find for you. You can also pick up a bunch of all-wheel drive gear, including trailing arms and viscous coupling mounters, or all kinds of stuff. You can search either by chassis or engine code. They even have parts for the brand new FK8 Type R, including some hondata bits, full exhaust systems, and an adjustable coilovers. Get some merch and also check out their sick NSX converted Type R. Thanks again to Adam at Speed Science, and be sure to check out the links in this video for their YouTube channel and their other projects they have going, and of course a link to their website. They can also help out internationally on request, so just because you're in America doesn't mean Adam can't hook you up with a decent deal on some parts. Welcome back. In today's video we are going to be going over all the parts for the K-Swap RD1 CRV build. Well, let's get to unboxing some of these parts, and we'll have a look at what kind of solution I came up with for a transmission, because it was kind of a pain in the ass to find. This is a Type R oil pump. K-Pro. Hybrid racing, nice wee fuel rail. It's the windage tray for getting rid of the balancer in the K24. Nice power steering cooling, power steering reservoir, and the assorted lines for the power steering, I'm assuming. And nice Speed Science stickers. Oil pump chain and guide. Fuel pump, drop-in in-tank fuel pump. 320 litre per hour. Fuel pressure regulator, nice one. Hybrid racing, that'll do the trick. Another hybrid racing part. This is a clutch line adapter. Nice braided unit. Conversion wiring harness. K-Series into 96-98 Civic. All trims. Because the CRV is basically a 96-98 Civic, it should work just fine. Might have to change maybe a couple pins on it. We will see. Clutch alignment tool, bearing, clutch material, and the pressure plate. And a lightened flywheel. We have some K-Swap mounts, a manual CRV instrument cluster, which I'm going to have to swap over the Ks, and a brand new lens from my car, a non-airbag dash compartment for up above the passenger, a non-airbag steering wheel, and all of the equipment to swap the chassis over to manual. Alright, what we have here is a JDM k24a3. I guess the comparison would be a TSX in America, but yeah, so this is the 200 horse, 210 horse, whatever the hell it is. Proper mechanical VTEC. Now the CRV this is all going into is going to stay four-wheel drive. So I needed a four-wheel drive transmission, which in New Zealand was really difficult to find, and if I bought a whole CRV, I'd have things like the axles, the loom, you know, you name it, all these little bits and pieces, shift linkages, shifter, blah 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 blah. So I finally found one, but it was in Wellington, which is about an hour's flight, I think. No, 20 minutes flight from Nelson, where I'm at, and then it would mean getting on a ferry and driving the CRV back here. So here's a video of my wife and I going to collect this CRV, and yeah, here's the CRV itself. So here it is. This is the RD5 CRV I had to buy just because I needed the transmission. It's a piece of shit, but it has all the stuff I need. As you can see, it doesn't have a hood stay, so I got myself a trusty broomstick. Nice one. But what is important is down there is a transfer case, which means this is an all-wheel drive K-series box. Also, the air filter, as you can see, has got this janky ass pod filter on it, because when I bought the car I checked the filter and it was so bad I'm not even sure how it was working. There was even a dead rat and stuff in here. But I'm not going to spend money on a brand new OEM filter just to strip everything out and essentially get rid of it. So yeah, this was used on a farm in just north of Wellington, and believe it or not, they actually put like sheep and lambs and stuff in the back, and the thing smells terrible. This window doesn't work, and it's hot as shit and smelly as shit, so it's been a bit of a nightmare. But yeah, manual, good to go.
Yeah. Noticed a bunch of you are subscribing, which is honestly, I just really appreciate it. It's awesome. So thanks a lot for that, and yeah, carry on doing it because we got some cool content coming up next. Thanks a lot. See you later.